Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about the exceptions to personal jurisdiction, which is foreign sovereigners. The case law that we are dealing up over here is Schooner Exchange versus Mafford. The year is 1812. The citation by Chief Justice Marshall over the sovereign immunity. A young nation weighs a delicate question. When a foreign warship enters an American port, whose law governs? So what did they held? So one sovereign being bound by obligations of the highest character, not to degrade the dignity of his nation, can be supposed to enter a foreign territory only under an express license or in the confidence that the immunities belonging to his independent sovereign station, though not expressly stipulated, are reserved by implication and will be extended to him. So the three things that we are talking about here: the sovereign never intends to surrender his own dignity abroad. Entry into foreign territory is presumed licensed, not submissive. Immunity is implied. Why this case still matters is founding precedent. Shuna Exchange is the origin point of sovereign immunity doctrine in American law, still cited today. Exception, not eraser of jurisdiction. A foreign sovereign is not immune from law itself, but from being hauled before another nation's court. Foundation of modern codification. Its reasoning shaped later statutory frameworks, including the Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act 1976. So this is the Hindi version of the same. In case you need it for your reference, this is the citation and what did they held in this particular case law and the essential